Hello, my name is Krishna Taywade. I am from Madhya Pradesh, district Pandhurna. I completed my post graduation in MBA or in Operation Management from Rashtrasan Tukadoji Maharaj University, Nagpur. After that, I am searching for a job, and I know about the Evision Technology Private Limited from my friend. Joined the course. I joined the on-job training course in Technology Private Limited. In that course, I will learn about networking, Windows, CCNA, and all job related requirements. Now and I will Now I placed in EXL Private Limited Pune as a desktop support engineer. I will strongly recommend to all you to join the course and get a job. Thank you.